Oh, hi guys, and welcome back to Buddy Book. Today we're gonna meet a friend. Booch. Hi. Hi, what's your name? Okay. Hi. What's your name? My name's June. Oh, okay. Want to be friends? Sure. I love to be friends. Okay. So, I've never seen you here. I just started here. Do you know a sister, Christ? Oh yeah, we just became friends last weekend. Oh. Okay, she never told me. I got bored last weekend. Ooh. That's nice. So anyway, I have to leave. Okay, see you later. Okay, bye.